I invite Dr. Uh, becoming fresh doctor, Jasroop Daya, because she was just the best among the student network. They had a program day before yesterday, and she was just the best speaker. So I invite Jasroop first to give her presentation on the leadership development.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to everyone. I am Jasroop Kaur Daya, a first prop student at Shri Guru Ram Das Institute of Medical Sciences, and I'm here to address this August gathering of my senior doctors today. I consider myself very fortunate that I have been provided with this wonderful opportunity. What's a leader? Someone asked me and left me pondering over it for a reasonable amount of time. Is it a prudent visionary or a meticulous teammate? Or is it someone who's gluttonous of praise? No, a leader is someone who yearns to serve the society, notwithstanding the hurdles and hassles tossed around his path. A leader is the one who pledges his adherence to the principles of leading an association in an altruistic manner. The one who is diligent towards his onerous tasks and implies that he vows to contribute every bit of his effort into the upcoming endeavors that he undertakes. A person who has the propensity to inspire hundreds, thousands, and millions with his servitude, gratitude, and humility-filled attitude. I am personally of the belief that the ability to engage the team is any leader's best asset. As a team player, a leader is responsible for creating a welcome space for discourse where free ideas are freely shared and discussed. In a leadership position, one always tries to ensure that his team appreciates and feels empowered by its diversity and that it reaches its best course of action with its diverse skill set. A good leader is first a good listener. It is a leader's responsibility to recognize the assorted skills that each member possesses, to take action on insights and ideas given by others. It is a leader who can catalyze the team's vision and bring the most value out of the strongest elements of its members. Nobody is born a leader. It isn't that if you become a leader, everyone will acknowledge you. It is only when you're acknowledged by others you become a true leader. A leader possesses aim and vision. He influences people to follow him with his positive mindset and impactful communication. A leader is epitome of selflessness. To be a part of a team and engaging into something bigger than yourself, and leading it is a huge responsibility because you choose the path that people follow. You're not only accountable for your actions, but also the actions of those around you, which means that if you're appreciated for the accomplishment hard work and determination. You need to work day and night together as a team, making limitless efforts to make your visions spring into reality. After all, Mother Teresa said, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. Thank you so much, everybody, for your time. Have a great day.
Thank you, Yusuf.